All right, you absolute stunners, welcome back to Budget Cars and Bikes, and welcome back to the kitchen. That can mean only one thing, of course. We have got some stuff to review. Let's get into it. As I said, guys, welcome back to Budget Cars and Bikes and to another product review. Today, we're going to be looking at some kind of vlogging equipment from Telesin. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. That is it there. You can tell me if I'm wrong. Telesin I'm going to go for. They've sent out a car vlogging bracket here for your camera and a bike one as well. And some really, really nice coloured kind of filters, as it were, for the DJI Osmo Action 3, which we're using. I'm hoping you've seen the videos we've done on that. I'll stick them into the top right-hand corner. We'll get into those a little bit later, but this is going to be super useful for us, of course, on the bike. As you can see there, it's got a little picture of the action cam. We're going to be using our DJI Osmo Action 3, of course, and for the car as well, because as you know, on the channel we do a lot of cars as well, salvage rebuilds, camper van conversions, that kind of stuff, and I do like to take you guys along with me, and I've always found it a little bit difficult to kind of film that, but now I've got the DJI mic as well, which I don't know if I told you about that, but we've got a DJI special mic. I can now put the DJI Osmo Action 3 on here, sucker this bad boy to the passenger side window or the rear window or the boot lid or whatever, as in the tailgate, and then basically stick the DJI Osmo Action 3 on there and use this. It's just going to be super solid, and it looks to be incredible quality. And basically what we're going to do is unpack these now, and then what I'll do is I'll give you a quick overview of what I think of the products, the quality, that kind of stuff, and we'll go from there. Wow, just look at the quality with this. This is just another level, basically. I mean, I bought some stuff from China in the past that are supposed to be really, really good for vlogging on your motorcycle, sticking these kind of cameras to your handlebars, all that kind of good stuff. And they're okay, I suppose, but this is next level. Just look at the quality of this. This is just something else. Look at the way that's been milled. That is really, really, really good quality. You get what you pay for, obviously, in life, and that has never been more so than with something like this. I'm going to have to put this together, of course, to show you how it goes, but it doesn't look too difficult. You've got a ball mount there, you've got your normal mount there for your action cam. This obviously fits on to the handlebar, the mirror, etc. There's a clamp there, and this is an extra clamp there for making it longer, I'm assuming, or it fits onto there, but we'll work it out. We'll get that together, and then we've got this bad boy. As I said, this is going to be for car vlogging. We'll pull that out. That's again, really nicely milled piece of metal, that is. It looks like aluminium. And then obviously in here we've got more of these kind of suckers up here. These suckers here, there should be 3 of those, I'm assuming. Yep, there we go, as per the picture. They go like so. Some bit of string, I'm not quite sure what that's for. And then obviously we've got the ubiquitous little kind of camera mount. We'll get this lot set up and I'll show you exactly what it looks like when it's kind of constructed. And there they are set up, guys. As you can see, you get your 3 suckers there, as it were, to stick onto your side window, passenger side window, I'm assuming. You could put it on the driver's side, you can put it onto any window or any surface that these will adhere to, because as you can see, they've got these little kind of suction pads here. You press it on and just clamp it down, and that should be good to go. I haven't quite worked out how I'm going to get the Osmo Action 3 on there, but we will do that when we do a follow-up review on this to show you exactly how this works. I mean, look at the quality of this. It's just next level, isn't it, really? It's got a lot of kind of weird numbers at the bottom of here. What I will do, I'm hoping that'll focus, what I will do is I will read through the pamphlet and I will basically go through that when we do a drive along. The next car that we do where I need to film inside, which will probably be in the next couple of weeks, I will set this up, I'll stick the DJI Osmo Action 3 on there and I'll explain all of that to you, and then we'll have a full test of that. And obviously there is the motorcycle one as well, which we're going to set up on to the 1250 GS, and basically we'll let you see how that is. I'm going to stick the Osmo Action 3 on here as well, and I'll just use one of my old Chinese ones to stick to my helmet, and then obviously we can get a look and see what that looks like. Anyway, that is the unboxing, as it were, for these 2 Telesin products. They are incredibly good quality, machine milled, obviously, the metalwork here, the aluminium, I'm assuming, and you know, it's obviously got a lot more functions than I would ever need, but again, as I said previously, you get what you pay for. You could probably buy one of these from AliExpress for 20-30 quid, but you know, this is next level. I'm assuming this is probably a German company. I will put that in the top left corner here somewhere if that is the case, because it doesn't sound Chinese to me, Telesin, but you know, we'll work that out as we go. This is just an initial unboxing and overview of the products they've sent out. As I said, also they've sent out these little Osmo Action 3 filters here. We'll go into that in some more detail as well as we film stuff later on into this little series, as it were, but I wanted to show you what it's like out of the box. If you just need your motorcycle one, there it is. Very simple. It just connects here, and then obviously you put your action camera there. Couldn't be simpler. simpler. And there's your clamp for your bar or your mirror. The car one is a little bit more complex in the respect you've got to set this up, and it's got a lot of it's like a camera. I mean, I'm assuming they are a camera manufacturer because they've got a lot of parameters here you can play with, not necessarily for the amateur like me, but as I said, we'll go into that when we get it into the car. But that is the unboxing from the Telesin stuff for the moment. I'm hoping you enjoyed that. If you did, then give the video a like, a share, a thumbs up, all that kind of good stuff. And if you want to find out how this stuff works in the real world, then don't forget to subscribe. We will be testing this stuff out in a future video. But that is it from Budget Cars and Bikes for now, for the car mount and the bike mount from Telesin, and of course these filters, which we'll get into in a future video. As I said, if you like it, consider subscribing, give the video a like, a share, and a thumbs up. We will be back in a couple of weeks. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope it helped.